Hey guys, today I'll be showing you 3 OP traps that will kill your opponents. So my first trap, I have this. It's a very simple setup, and all you need is a stone blocks, dripstone, stairs, banners, and glass pane. So you would be building something like this, and you'll be running across a hill, and we will put the glass plane here. So basically, you'll have your opponent chase you. You will run on this, do this, and you're over on the other side. While your opponent, not knowing about a trap, will try to follow you, except they would run, hit the glass pane, and fall. But after you hit the glass pane, you need a dripstone trap. So just dig down. It'll just very little contraption. Just stick down like that. Yeah. Okay, so your opponent would fall here. Yep, like that. Your opponent should fall by this 3 by 2 hole, which would automatically lead them to some dripstone. Yeah, like that. So your foes will be running after you, and you'll be going here, jump here, and you'll be over here. But then your opponent, trying to chase you, will go over here, try to make the same jump. They'll miss, and they'll fall into here. So that's my first trap.